All right, so for our class, for test two, we couldn't book the big room that we tested in last time, so we're going to test in our normal classroom. That's room 118, I believe. We'll double check that here in just a second when we look at the calendar. You might have seen an email that said for you to sign up. I'm going to show you how to sign up, okay, because not everybody can come at one time and us maintain the social distancing that we're required to maintain. So we can have up to 20 people in the classroom. We have, I think, 33 in the class. So we got to split between 2 days. So I want to show you how to sign up for that testing date. Okay, it's either going to be Tuesday, December 27th. Tuesday, October 27th, or Thursday, October 29th, are the 2 days. Okay, so let me go to Student View here. So when you go to our class in Canvas, you'll be able to see View Course Calendar over here. And it'll pop up the calendar. And then on the 27th and the 29th, you'll see the events, and you can click on those. I have to get out of Student View so I can show you. Okay, but that's how you'll get to the calendar there on here. So let me show you what you'll see when you get there. Or I have to kind of split this up. So here's my calendar. Okay, so you'll see the 2 days for the test. Okay, and all you have to do is you click on the day that you want, the day you prefer. This one says it has 18 slots available. A couple people have already figured it out on their own. Okay, so if I want to test on October 27th, I'll go here. Okay, and then it'll let you accept this date or pick this date. If you wanted the other day, you just go to the 29th instead, and then you can sign up there. So it seems like several of you are already figuring out how to do this on your own, but I just wanted to show you a quick video of how to get here in case you've never used the calendar. Okay, if you have questions or are having trouble, just send me an email and I'll try to walk you through it the best I can.